Hello, in this part 9 of the tutorial, we add a user profile to the drawer using an avatar and also create some other avatars. We will basically create 3 types of avatars, one with text, another with an icon and another with an image. In our app, we have created a new view code component. We call this avatars. Let's create the first avatar. It will have text. We set its color and the size attribute. We then add the text element inside it. We apply the relevant class names. We set the text to show. We save this as avatar 1. We create the second avatar. This will have an icon. We add the icon inside it. We then save the layout as avatar 2. We create the third layout. This will have an image. We add an image element inside the avatar. We set the source URL. We also indicate the alt text. We save this as avatar 3. Our avatars component is loading a V container named VAvatars. We will make this a grid layout with one row that has 3 columns. We update the rows property to be 1. We want to have 3 columns on this single row. Offsets for small, medium, large, and extra large devices should be 0. The columns should span 12 on small and 4 on other devices. We check Build Grid because when the layout is loaded, it should build the grid. Whilst optional, we also check Show Grid Design. We want to show all 3 avatars we created, in each of the columns of the row we created on the V container. These will be row 1 column 1, row 1 column 2, and row 1 column 3. First, let's generate the members so that we can access the V container. VAvatar's V container is now a global variable. On row 1 column 1, let's add avatar 1. On row 1 column 2, let's add avatar 2. On row 1 column 3, let's add avatar 3. We had earlier updated our list of links to now include the avatars page, so when we click the drawer link, it will open the page. We open the avatars page. Our avatars show on row 1, column 1, 2, and 3 respectively. Now, if you look at the drawer, just above the list, we have an avatar image. We had created a layout that is a container with child elements. We set Justify Center, Align Center, and Text Align Center on the container. We then placed a row inside the container and inside that row a column. Inside that column, we placed an avatar element, and inside that an image component. We then added text to show the user type. On the pgindex module, we then added the profile layout just before the vlist on the nav drawer. This ensures that our app runs as expected. This closes part 9. Enjoy!